Imagine a world where everyone's neighbourhood is filled with heaps of rotting trash. There's no way to get rid of this waste because our landfills and water bodies are overflowing with more waste. These scenarios scream danger for humanity. Well, with our current waste management practices, this is a possible future for us. Thankfully, one way to ensure that these events never happen is by composting all our organic waste. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Today, I'll be talking to you about Composting 101, the basic principles you need to know about composting. Ready? Let's dive in. So, what's composting? Composting means the degradation of solid organic substances, solid waste like manure, leaves, grass clippings. Dead plants and animals may look useless, but they are useful. When composted, they reduce waste, and they can be recycled into useful products. When you hear composting, what first comes to your mind? For me, it's the word organism. You need organisms to compost the waste, but there are 3 types of composting with different processing methods. They include aerobic, anaerobic, and vermicomposting. Let's start with aerobic composting. This type of composting needs air for the breaking down of materials quickly. Up next is anaerobic composting. It is the opposite of aerobic, and it involves the breakdown of composts in the absence of air. The third type is vermicomposting. It deals with macro decomposers such as earthworms. Composting matter affects the environment in several harmful ways. The carbon dioxide released from a composting matter accumulates in the atmosphere, thereby speeding up the depletion of the ozone layer. An increase in carbon dioxide therefore means an increase in heat. The air also gets polluted and unhealthy when waste is composting. It may cause sickness and cause water pollution if the waste is being composted near a body of water. Another harmful way composting can affect the environment is by explosions. Methane produced for economic purposes is highly flammable. During composting to extract methane, an increase in temperature might potentially lead to an explosion. When it comes to composting, make sure you consider the positives and negatives before starting. That's all for this video. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!